Okay guys, so you're here to see the top 5 keto foods that suppress appetite. If that's what you're looking for, stay tuned. Okay guys, so we want to look at those 5 foods that are going to suppress your appetite. Yes, this always happens on keto, and at the moment I'm on keto and I'm absolutely eating 3 meals a day and I get 0 cravings and I have massive satiety. So there is absolutely no problem whatsoever. This is what we're looking for. So without further ado, let's have a look at the 5 best keto foods to suppress your appetite. Okay guys, number 1, eggs. Eggs are a superfood. I can't advocate them more. They are absolutely fantastic, nutrient-dense superfoods. They're the best food I think that you can have on keto. They have a very negligible amount of carbs. It's nearly, totally missed. They register as 0 most of the time because they're so low. They're so conducive. Now, I think these are fantastic. Let's have a look. Number 1, nature's number 1 appetite suppressor. So, you eat less naturally, stay full for hours. You can see here, high in protein, helps increase satiety, hormones and reduce hunger. Keeps you full. Protein plus healthy fats, slow digestion and promote fullness for hours. Fewer calories. Studies show eggs can naturally reduce calorie intake later in the day, and they're nutrient dense, packed with vitamins and minerals that support overall health. So, here you go, here's a nice interesting fact. Did you know eating eggs for breakfast can reduce hunger and calorie intake by up to 400 calories over the next 24 hours? Okay guys, that's it. It's 100% definite, 100% in stone. I've eaten loads of eggs, and yes, when I was on keto, I think I was probably maybe when I was about 33, and I went on keto and I had 3.5 months, I lost 20 kg, and I ate a humongous amount of eggs. Some days, one day I think I had 14 eggs. My health got better and better and better. I got more focus, I got unbelievably fantastic shape. It was awesome and hardly any cravings. So you have to understand eggs are fantastic, but always mix it with lots of different food types. It stops boredom and at the same time it gives you all your nutrients. Supplements are a must. Now, so guys, that's number 1. Now number 2, steak. Steak is awesome guys. So the ultimate appetite suppressor. Everybody loves a bit of steak. It is absolutely tasty, fantastic, and great to boost you up there and say, hey, I think it's a steak day. I want to feel fantastic. And that's what it's good for. Let's have a look here. So steak is incredibly satiating. Steak is incredibly satiating and helps keep hunger away for hours. So guys, you can see here, you extremely satiating, high in protein and fat to keep you full for hours. Stabilizes blood sugar, helps prevent spikes and crashes that cause cravings, reduces hunger. Studies show protein-rich meals reduce hunger and appetite. Rich in nutrients, packed with iron, zinc, B vitamins and other essential nutrients. So, what can we see here? Tip. Pair with healthy fats like butter or olive oil for even greater satiety. So you've got a lot of information there guys, great nutrition, eat less naturally and you stay full for hours. That's the main takeaway. So you've got all the information there. Steak is phenomenal. Yes, it can be expensive in the UK. Aldi has a fantastic option of steaks as well. I've tried a lot of them. They're absolutely awesome. Yes, again, maybe you might be better off if you want quality, amazing ones, M&S. You have a range as well in Tesco. So again, look at those there, guys. They're pretty much awesome. They will always make you feel full, and meat takes 3 hours on average to digest. Okay. Number 3, sardines. So sardines, small fish, huge benefits, pack a punch, and they are fantastic for oils. So big appetite suppressor. Now sardines are packed with protein, healthy fats and nutrients that help reduce hunger and keep you satisfied for hours. You can see here high in protein, helps blood satiety, hormones and reduces hunger. Rich in omega-3 fats, supports hormone balance and helps control appetite. Nutrient dense, packed with vitamins and minerals that support overall well-being. May help reduce cravings. Omega-3s and protein may help stabilize blood sugar and reduce cravings. Heart healthy, supports heart health while keeping you full and satisfied. So, tip: choose sardines in olive oil for extra healthy fats and maximum satiety. Yes, they're absolutely awesome. I personally don't choose the ones with olive oil. I choose the ones in tomato sauce because I think the mix is great. To be honest with you, the taste for me is a little bit too oily and it's a little bit too much to stomach. It kind of reminds me of taking a spoonful of cod liver oil. But in tomato sauce, they are phenomenal. Now, usually as well, you get a whole range of things from them. Electrolytes, all these nutrients, you've got calcium even, you're eating them with bones. It's a fantastic source for your keto diet, but the main reason is they will suppress your appetite amazingly and with healthy fats. Okay guys, number 4. So number 4, you have avocados. Now you can see here, nature's satiety superfood. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and fiber that help slow digestion and keep you satisfied for longer. Healthy fats, rich in monounsaturated fats that promote fullness and reduce hunger cravings. High in fiber. Fiber slows digestion and helps you feel full between meals for longer. Slow digestion. Healthy fats plus fiber help slow digestion and stabilize appetite. Nutrient dense, packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants for overall well-being and supports heart health. May help improve cholesterol levels and support a healthy heart. So tip: add avocado to your meals or enjoy as a snack to naturally control hunger and avoid overeating. Very simple guys. What I like to do as well when I have avocados, I scoop out only one half, about 1.8 to 2 grams of carb. I mix in vinegar, salt and pepper, and then I put air fried bacon in there, mix it all up. Absolutely delicious breakfast of champions, and that is what you're looking for. You understand that you're getting fantastic healthy goodness. Yes, maybe the bacon, get as zero carb as you can so it's not so dirty keto. Zero carb bacon is the one you're looking for, and it's more natural. Absolutely delicious, spot on. Now, avocados, a fantastic source. You've got lots of other reasons. You have to understand why they're good. You're getting fiber, guys, and that fiber is essential on a keto diet. It's very hard to get fiber on keto with keto foods. This is one of the greats. Now, you also understand you've got loads of antioxidants. That's fantastic to stop free radicals. Okay, guys, so let's look at keto. Let's look at food number 5. Okay, guys, so keto food number 5. You can see macadamia nuts. Now, the keto snack that keeps hunger away, powerful appetite suppressor. Macadamia nuts are high in healthy fats, ultra low in carbs, and clinically shown to promote fullness and reduce appetite. So, rich in healthy fats, high in monounsaturated fats that promote satiety and keep you full for longer. Highest satiety among nuts, studies show macadamias score highest for fullness and appetite control compared to other nuts. Ultra low in carbs, very low in net carbs, making them perfect for keto and blood sugar balance. They reduce hunger and cravings. Healthy fats plus fiber help stabilize hunger hormones and reduce cravings. A nutrient powerhouse, packed with magnesium, manganese, copper and antioxidants for overall well-being. Let's have a look at the tip. A small handful, about 5 to 6 nuts, is enough to curb hunger and keep you satisfied for hours. Okay guys, so I have a video on the best nuts. You can go have a look at them. Macadamias are one of the best. That we understand that when you look at these, that you have macadamias, pecans, and you have walnuts. They're the top 3, lowest in carb and full of nutrients and benefits like this for satiety. Excellent. Macadamias are definitely going to help you with your hunger. Okay guys, so fantastic thing. How do you not overeat them? I weigh out 28 grams or 1 handful and then I eat them. You can put them into bags, and those bags, then you just go to them, and once you finish the bags, you know no more. And you know exactly how many carbs you've had. Write it in your journal. Okay guys, I hope you like this top 5 foods to help suppress your appetite. Thumbs up please and subscribe. Any questions, pop them in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one.